Alan Solarsh here, the Passive Income Guru. In this video tutorial explains to you how to set up Myfxbook on your phone. Right, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to a web browser and enter in the URL myfxbook.com. So please pause the video, please go and do that. Once done, you can come back to this website and resume the video. Right, so just click on the sign up button and then just register an account. You'll get an email to verify your credentials, and there'll be a link to verify that you want to actually subscribe to Myfxbook, and you'll also need to save your username and password. So please pause the video, please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Right, so the next step that you need to do is you need to download the Myfxbook application on your mobile phone. So let's get started and do that. Right, so on your phone, on your mobile, I'm working on an Apple, so I'm going to work on the App Store. If you're on an Android, then you need to go to the Google Play Store and you need to open it up, and in the search bar, which is in the bottom on an Apple in the bottom right hand corner, I don't know where it is on an Apple, on an Android, you need to just type in there Myfxbook, and it should come up, and then you can just click on that icon. So please pause the video, please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now look for Forex calendar. It says FX Forex calendar. Mine will say open, yours will have a cloud, so you need to click on the cloud to download it to your phone. So download it, and once it's downloaded, then you can open it. So please pause the video, please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. So once you've opened it, it's going to have a screen here. This is an advert, and sometimes the X is down here and sometimes the X is up there. Just click on the X to remove the advert. So please pause the video, please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now in the top left hand corner, there are the three hamburger lines that you need to click. So, and then you need to click on your portfolio. So please pause the video, please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. There should be a place for you to actually log in. I'm actually not 100% sure how to do that. Mine says log out at the bottom, but you need to actually find a place that says that asks you to log in. So please go and do that now. Please go and log in. Make sure that you logged in on the mobile application. So please pause the video, please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to be in this menu. So it's on the hamburger lines, be in this menu. Right, so the next step to do is to click on the calendar. So please pause the video, please go to the calendar section now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. In the top right hand corner, there is a gear icon that you need to click, so please click on the gear icon now. So please pause the video, please once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now everything must be the same as mine. Under symbol, so the notifications must be on, sound must be on. Symbols, you can click on symbols, and here these are the symbols that you want notifications for. Okay, so when you actually on the calendar, these are the currencies that you're going to get, that are going to come up in the calendar for you to see what's happening with those currencies. So with gold, the Australian dollar needs to be clicked, the Canadian dollar needs to be clicked. I like to know what's happening with the Swiss franc, and I like to know what's happening in China. The euro, US dollar, I like to know what's happening there. It's not important for gold. The three currencies that need to be checked for gold is AUD, CAD, and US dollar. Okay, which is right at the bottom over there, which is the US dollar. And then obviously I like to look at the rand as well, but you don't have to do that. Okay, so for gold, it's Canadian dollar. So it's CAD. This one over here, AUD, and USD. Okay, those are the three currencies that need to be checked. So please pause the video. Please go and make sure those three currencies are checked. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. And then you can click on the back button on the settings, and then you can click on the impact. So please pause the video. Please go and do those 2 steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now, I'm only really interested in the medium and high impact. So please make sure that the medium and high impact, there are check marks by those, so you just click on it and then the tick arrives. So please pause the video. Please go and make sure that they ticked now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Then just click on just go back, click on the settings button and go back, and then click on the go back button again as well, and then we can now discuss what's happening on the calendar. Right, so this is how you work the calendar. This is yesterday, what happened yesterday. These are the results for yesterday, which is, did I do that correctly? Let's go and have a look. Sorry about that. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to yesterday. Right. So there's yesterday, and as you can see, it's Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So those are the announcements that happened on Wednesday. This is today. So if you click on this over here, it tells you what's happening today, and if you click on tomorrow, it'll help tell you what's happening tomorrow. And if you scroll to the right, it says this, and if you click on this, it says this week, which is the entire week. So it's Monday to Sunday, and then next to it is next, which will be next week. Okay, and that's how you can know what's happening in advance on what's going to happen with currencies, commodities, indices, etc. It always fascinated me that you watch Bloomberg or the news and they're announcing stuff, and you can see the spike in the currency, and you think to yourself, well, how would one know when to get into a currency or when to buy a commodity or a share or something when you're getting the information late? Okay, so all the news is happening post news. You need to find the information pre-news. Okay, you need to be informed before the announcement happens, and this is how it happens. So this is how you are informed of what's going to happen with the currencies. Okay, so if we go and have a look at this week, there we go. What we're looking for gold is as follows. We're looking for anything that is USD, Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar related. Okay, and we're only really interested in the red folders, which is the high impact news. Okay, so this week, starting from Monday, let's have a look, and we're looking for the symbol first on the right hand side. So we're looking over here first for USD, and then we scroll to the left. There's a USD. It's yellow. We're not interested in yellow, so we carry on down. There is an Australian one, but it's RBA meetings minutes, which doesn't affect us. So we know what affects us. We know that NFP, CPI, interest rates, retail sales, anything like that is going to have a high impact on the currency. Okay, so we're going to have a look down here. RBA, nothing in Australia. Pound doesn't interest us. Euro doesn't interest us, and we're looking for the Canadian dollar. There it is, housing stats, but it is a yellow folder, so it's not a high impact announcement, so we don't have to worry. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, retail sales, which happens on Tuesday, which has passed for us, so we didn't trade gold. Okay, what we did is we paused the robot, and then we manually closed out our trades in a loss, and we don't trade gold. So what I do for gold is I don't I pause my robot, and then I wait for my trades to close out. If they haven't closed out, 2 to 3 to maybe 4 hours before the announcement, I will then manually close my trades out in a loss. Now, for you to understand how to pause your robot and how to close out your trades in a loss, please refer back to the frequently asked questions section on the training website under the MT4 section, MT4 hacks, which will tell you how to close out trades manually and how to pause the robot. You can find the video under the EA hacks, and that will tell you how to pause the EA. Okay, so again, so let's carry on over here. So we're on Tuesday, retail sales again. We did not trade on Tuesday. Wednesday, let's go through Wednesday. Wednesday, there was an announcement. It was, there it is, inflation. Canadian inflation rate. There it is. Inflation rate year on year. Okay, and so we didn't trade. So it's very simple to understand. Don't trade gold during those announcements. Please refer back to the training website, the gold training website, and go through the header where it says times when to trade and times when not to trade gold. Okay, so that's how you set up the Myfxbook calendar. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please follow the rest of the video, the rest of the information on this video, and I will see you on the next video. Before you go, if you'd like to earn a little bit of Bitcoin, I give away 0.005 of a Bitcoin every single Friday to a random subscriber. If you'd like to earn that, there's a couple of things that you need to do. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and how you do that is you just mouse over the video that you're watching, and in the bottom right hand corner of the video is a YouTube icon. Click that icon now. So please pause the video, go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now, if you're not already logged into your Gmail account, then you'd need to log into your Gmail account. Now, below the video that you're watching on YouTube, there is a subscribe button. So what you do is you click on that subscribe button, and then next to the subscribe button is a bell icon. You can click on the bell icon. So please pause the video, go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next thing that you do is you need to give a thumbs up, and then in the comment section, which is over here, you can leave a positive comment together with your Bitcoin wallet address. Now, you have to follow the steps exactly to be able to get that prize. So you need to subscribe, you need to hit the bell icon, you need to give a thumbs up, and you need to leave a positive comment with your Bitcoin wallet address. Only then are you entered into the competition and are eligible to win a prize if chosen. So if you want to win 0.005 of a Bitcoin, I highly recommend that you follow those steps, and then you'll be eligible to win that prize. So good luck, and I hope you win that prize. And if you do, remember to invest it in a passive income stream, and I'll see you on the next video. You know that I'ma do it right.